I'm going to tell you something so unique that you definitely never, ever heard this one before.
It's a secret. Shut up.
Ready? Well, it starts a little bit something like this. GPT bros be like, ChatGPT is already 1 billion years old and yet you still haven't found the best way to use it. Here is a gazillion useless examples of how you can use it to your advantage right now. Did I say now? I meant yesterday. AI is so awesome right now it can even go back in time. Are you tired of writing prompts?
Yes.
Now that is hard work.
That's what she said.
Introducing Autoprompter. It will prompt for various random things for you and you just press yes or no. Are you tired of pressing yes or no? I know you are. Introducing Autoprompter. This amazing AI tool has been really hidden. It's a big secret by all the AI bros.
It's a secret.
Now I am sharing it with you. You don't even need to open your laptop anymore. Come on, close it. Now you're completely useless. Congrats, AI does everything. Are you tired of being completely useless? There is an awesome AI that will provide you with a list of potential hobbies just for you. Remember to ask the autoprompter to write a prompt for it for you. Unless you're like so retro, like so 2022 and you want to write the prompt yourself. Caveman. Either way, those awesome hobbies are waiting for you. Are you tired of having hobbies? I thought so. They're hard work, aren't they? You need to stand up, do stuff, and then do it all over again. That is kinda boring. Introducing Lazy, an AI for people that need reasons to be lazy.
I love these lazy Saturdays.
It will give you 1,000,000 reasons and one to just sit down and watch TV. Are you tired of watching TV all day? TV GPT will summarize all those TV shows into 3-minute videos for you, so you're just gonna have to watch those instead. It uses 4th grade language to explain the plot to you, so you don't even have to think. This guy, bad. He breaking. Are you tired of all these stupid AI posts, videos and tweets? Yeah, me too. You can use an AI to write a comment under this video and tell me how you feel. Or you can just write the comment completely by yourself. Can you still do it, or has AI fully taken over? And blink twice if AI is holding you hostage right now.